Baby, it's cold outside. While today's homes are built much tighter and more efficient than homes in the years past, even the tightest homes present challenges during extreme weather situations. Right now, we're entering one of those extreme weather situations with 0-degree temperatures and below 0-degree wind chills. These extreme temperatures will affect your home and will require you to monitor it more closely, especially those humidity levels and the ventilation that you have within the home. So listen along real quick. I'm going to give you some tips on what to do to prevent condensation on the windows, as well as to keep those pipes moving and not freezing. First things first, turn your humidifier way down. When the temperature is only 0 degrees outside, you want that humidity level in your house to be 25% or under. When it gets to negative 10 degrees outside, you want to be 20% or under, and then negative 20 below outside, you want to be 15% or under in terms of humidity levels. Turn it way, way down. If you have excess humidity in your homes during these extreme cold weather temperatures, you will have condensation on your windows, and that condensation could turn into ice crystals on the interior of your home. So what do we need to do? Turn it down. If you are living in a home with one of these iComfort thermostats, you can see mine here. Right now, it says my humidity is at 35%. That is way too high right now. I am having some condensation forming on the interior of my window, so I need to turn it down. You can also see on the left-hand side here that it says it's heating and humidifying. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna push the buttons up in the corner, settings, and then I'm gonna scroll down to humidity, and you can see where my settings are at there. If you scroll all the way down, you have a normal setting, a max setting, and then a dew point. I'm gonna choose the dew point. The dew point automatically changes the humidity set point to try and prevent condensation on the windows. So right now, I selected onto the dew point, and this is going to control when my humidifier runs or not to do its best to control that condensation on the windows. So now I'm gonna go back to main floor settings. You can see my heat is still running, but the humidifier turned off because I adjusted the dew point. So what else can we be doing to ensure our home is properly maintained during these extreme weather temperatures? First things first is do not close your window coverings, your blinds, your shutters, your drapes. Keep them open. You need to ensure that there's proper ventilation throughout your home. If you keep those closed, it could enhance the condensation behind those window coverings. The other things that you should do is open your cabinet doors that have plumbing with inside them, especially those that are on exterior walls. Drip your faucets. That's kind of an old one that everybody knows to prevent freezing pipes. Make sure your hoses are disconnected. Make sure your interior doors are open to again ensure proper circulation throughout your home. Run your bathroom fans and make sure your windows are fully closed, latched, and locked. Even the best built homes with low HERS scores will face challenges during these times. Locally, our homes are designed to a specific climate zone by code. The temperatures we are going to be facing over the next few days exceed that climate zone temporarily, and we will notice its effects. Think of taking a soda can out of a refrigerator in the hot summertime and going outside. What happened? The soda can began to sweat. It's just the science of hot, cold, and humidity. Monitoring and maintaining your home's moisture content and ventilation will go a long way during this cold snap we're about to have. Check your humidity. Make sure your bathroom fans are running. Be mindful of your plumbing. Have a good weekend, everybody. Stay warm.